In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a productivity report in Clio Manage. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Reports. This is where Clio Manage houses a wide range of reporting tools, and it's the starting point for building the productivity report you need. After the Reports page opens, find and open the User Productivity Report. This report is especially useful when you want to review performance data related to time, billing, and overall productivity across users. Once you open it, you'll be able to customize the report so it reflects exactly the information you want to analyze. Next, click Filters. Here, you can choose the date range for your report and apply any other criteria that are relevant to your review. This is an important step because the quality of your report depends on selecting the right scope from the beginning. If you're reviewing a weekly, monthly, quarterly, or custom time period, this is where you set that up. Then, click Columns to control the information displayed in the report. You can add columns, remove anything you don't need, or rearrange the layout to make the report easier to read. This is helpful if you want to focus only on the data points that matter most to your team or workflow. If you'd like to organize the report further, click Groups. This allows you to structure the report by a field such as user or activity month. Grouping can make larger reports much easier to interpret, especially when you're comparing productivity across people or time periods. If your firm works with more than one currency, select the appropriate currency before reviewing the data. This helps ensure the financial values in the report are presented correctly and consistently. Once your settings are in place, review the summary section near the top of the report. This section gives you a quick overview of totals for billable hours, billed hours, collected hours, non-billable hours, and the related values. It's a great snapshot if you need fast insight without reading every line of detail. After that, move down and review the detailed results below the summary. This section gives you the more granular breakdown behind those totals, which can be useful for closer analysis or internal reporting. When you're done, click Export to download the report. If you expect to use the same settings again in the future, click Save Report View so you won't have to rebuild the same setup next time. Thanks for watching.